Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. This past weekend, I came across these wood planks at my local Dollar Tree, and here's what I did with them. I started off with 2 packs of these 4x5 inch square wood planks. I used hot glue and craft sticks to attach 2 of the wood planks together. I then used hot glue and wood dowels to glue all 4 of the pieces together. Next, I hot glued one of the wood planks to the bottom and additional wood dowels to each of the sides. For project number 2, I'm using 4 packs of the 7x2 inch wood planks and more of the wood dowels. Here, I'm using some painter's tape to help hold the wood planks in position. Now that I have my hexagon template, I'm using hot glue and wood dowels to glue all 6 of the wood planks together. Now that I have the shape that I wanted, I added my 2nd pack of the wood planks. I used 2 more of the wood planks for the bottom. These wood planks aren't solid wood, so they're easy to cut with a box cutter. Next, I took both pieces out to a well-ventilated area and gave them 1 coat of silver metallic spray paint. Once my paint was dry, it was time to decorate. Let's start with project number 1. For this project, I'm adding 4.5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors. Next, I added Dollar Tree rhinestone gems. I found these in a jar, but also in a small bag. If you have a choice, you'll want to get the jar because you'll only need 1 of the jars to complete this project. Also, the rhinestones in the jar are slightly smaller, which makes them perfect for this project. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with the corners, but I decided to add a few more of the rhinestones to connect the sides and then add Dollar Tree Mod Podge and extra fine silver glitter. I added a small amount of the Mod Podge, sprinkled on a small amount of the extra fine glitter, and then a second coat of the Mod Podge to seal everything in. To complete the project, I used a warm hairdryer to melt the glue strings, cleaned my mirrors, and here's the finished look. For project number 2, I'm using shimmer glass glitter. I used generous amounts of this Mod Podge mixture to cover all of my wood planks with glass glitter in the color Vintage Silver. Here, I'm using my finger to slightly spread the glitter, but remember this glitter is made of real glass, so be sure to wear gloves if you're not accustomed to using materials such as this. I added a second coat to my corners. The following day, I brushed away the excess before adding 2 coats of clear gloss sealer. I also used the same method on a thrifted vase using Dollar Tree resin. This method requires a longer drying time and a bit more patience, but I think both vases turned out beautiful. I really love how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!